Well, guys, I totally forgot to do another intro, of course. So this is going to be the intro slash outro. I did some creek fishing and got into some fish today, especially species that I didn't think that I was going to get into. Totally had no idea that they were going to be hitting like they were. But nonetheless, it was still a blast. I didn't fish for too long because obviously the skies are gray and there was lightning happening and I had to just bounce out of the water. So, but nonetheless, if you like what you see, go ahead and like, share, comment, subscribe, and make sure to hit that notification bell for more videos and, you know, anything that will notify you on YouTube. But nonetheless, I'm going to go ahead and get out of here and I'm going to get inside and eat. And yeah, I will see you guys on the next one. Peace. Got him. Come on. There we go, guys. You little guy, though. Hey, it's a sauger. I did not expect you to be on the menu. Wow, you choked it, bud. Let's get back here. Got him. The little guy. The little pencil. I got him though. That's all that matters. A little pencil. A little pencil. Let's let him go. All right, let's get us another one. They are stacked up here. Got him. This is a better one. All right. Oh, well, there he goes. This is crazy. Not the species I thought I was going to be catching today, honestly. Got him. Yeah, you ain't going nowhere, bud. Come on in. Oh, you are going somewhere. Why are you... What is going on? Got him. Come on. Come on in, buckaroo. Oh, that's a white. I'll take him too. It's a Dwight. Quit. There we go. And once again, falling off. Oh well, I touched him. It counts. Let's get us another one. Ooh! That was a thump. what is going on right now. But I'm liking it. I'm liking it. Oh. All right. There we go. Oh, another Dwight. There we go, guys. Looks like it's saugers and whites today. Oh, hey, 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 hey. Did I just seal his mouth shut? There we go, guys. All right, let's let him go. Got him. Oh yeah. Oh, he choked it. Oh yeah, he choked it. Look at that, guys. Oh wow, he choked it. All right, guys, we're gonna let this one go. Whoop. He said, screw you, bud. I'm flopping out of your hand. I said one more, didn't I? Hey, this is fun though. Even though there's no true, oh, he's barely hooked. Even though there's no true size to them, they're still fun nonetheless. Well, some of them were actually decent. See if we can get one more. One more. Come on, let's do it. Woo! That was it. They're just so unpredictable. And for them to even be smacking like this and be stacked up like that, especially not it being the river, this is just awesome. Let's try over here. All right, yeah, I'm out. All right, well, see if we can get us one more. one more. Cool. Got him. Pencil boy. All right, it's thunderstorming, so I'm gonna go ahead and get out of here. We're gonna let this guy go though.